In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Java project in Eclipse. First, go to Create Project and go to your file. Select New and Java Project. Enter your project name. For example, my first Lava app. Click Next and then uncheck Create Module Info.java. After that, click Finish. Your project is ready. Second step is to create a Java class. Open Package Explorer, right-click to the src folder, New, Class. Name it Main Java Classes, start with an uppercase letter. Check Public Static Void Main, then click Finish. Step 3 is to write and run code. Inside main.java, you simply add system.output.print in open close parenthesis, exclamation point, hello, comma, and world, exclamation point. Right-click in the main Java and then run as Java application. The console displays hello world. Congrats! You've created your first Java project in Eclipse. Thank you for watching.